Okay, good morning, good night, good afternoon. I don't know, to be honest. Okay, this is my video tutorial about the tool that I have to upload for the partial. So here I'm here in Voicethread. In this case, I will not specify in what I am going to talk about. So I will basically give a complete tutorial about how to use Voicethread first of all. What is Voicethread? It's basically it's like a slides, but no, because it's I think it's more easier than slides. But the thing is that here you don't create your, like I say, your presentations. You just upload it and you say, how do I upload it? Okay, first of all, we come here to the plus and we start like a new Voicethread and we click there, and well, I already here in the in the menu for in the menu. So here you have some, oh sorry, here here you have some like tools that what you want to do. For example, here in other fuentes, I don't know how to say it, sorry. You can check, you can use, if you click here, you can choose between Flickr, I think is the correct pronunciation, and Google Drive. But for example, here in Google Drive, we're going to share something from my drive. I don't know, like freelance. Also here, this is a capture, known as a screenshot, sorry. And we, let me check. Oh, I will move this a little bit. Okay, we just upload it, and here we check, and we already uploaded. And this is something incredible because you can upload it very quickly. Also, if you create a new Voicethread, you can check and you can use other tools like uh, record yourself the diapositive, or like this here that I'm recording myself to a video, or just to take a picture. In this case, you take literally the picture from your telephone or your computer, and also you can just use an URL. But I think it's more useful if you already have your presentation. For example, imagine that you paste the URL and the URL is down. You will not, basically you will not have access. So it will be like a problem here if you're giving classes. For example, let me check if I have some presentations here to upload just one. For example, oh, this. We have this, like this class about course management. There is uploading the course management, the classroom, sorry. And here, like we see, just is sharing, sorry, is loading. Other options that we can do is basically change the name, I don't know, like uh, classroom, for saying something. A description of this, it will be like, I don't know, presentations, I guess. And I think this doesn't matter, to be honest, because it's not something like you will share it with everyone, you know. So you just save it, and basically you have here the the name of this Voicethread. Also, you can check how many people have already seen this video, or sorry, the presentation, and how many people have left you a comment. Also, open this Voicethread. You can just click and basically, let me check. Oh my God, it's not loading. Sorry. Here, oh, already. Sorry. Okay, in this case, let me check this. We have that effective management of the classroom. and it's basically it is effective discipline, blah blah blah. And we have some options here that are too interesting and also are very interactive with that you can do with your students. In this case, we can leave a comment like nice job, I don't know, I guess. Also, we can add a video, but oh, this moment because I'm recording I cannot, but you know that you already can. So oh, what happened? Oh, like I was saying, we open here, and also other thing that we have is like a recording, and at the same time at the same situation I cannot record an audio saying, oh, this is a great slides or presentation, because I already using the headsets for recording my voice and the video for this. And also you can upload a command, I guess. For example, here I will upload like a meme. Let me look for one that is not too that is like a good meme, if I'm saying. Let me check. I have something here. Save pictures. Let me check. Oh my god, I cannot find nothing. Damn. Sorry. But I guess you got the idea, okay? You just need to upload. This is not. I will. Well, these are. I don't know if is recording this part, but this is basically a clip from a video game, so I will try to plot it. I guess it's not too much. Let me check if we can already plot it. If it's uploaded, it can be it will be funny to think that I in a in a presentation I upload something about video games. You don't have to do that. Let me clarify that. Just I'm doing this because I don't know why I cannot see other images or pictures that I have, even when I have a lot, an amount of them. So having here in the check here, and you okay, is loading. I guess. Oh my god, it's loading. So you already know what I mean with that. Also, here in the Voicethread, there's this option that you can share, and basically you can use your URL, your account, I guess want to know, and basically you can share between social media. And also this is why you use the like quotes, I guess, or no, the hashtag, and also just like saving the voice thread here. But it's basically why we're going to save it when we already have uploaded. And also let me check anything else about the voice thread. Basically it's just that, and here in the comment moderation you just basically open anything. And for example, here we have my video. The video, I don't know why it's not working, but oh, it's working. Oh my god. I will put in post. But in this case, we already know that upload this type of videos in a presentation of classes is wrong. So we already delete it. Here we can delete it because we are the owners of the voice thread. In the case that we were in another voice thread, we cannot delete it. And basically this is the buttons to pass the next slide, and this is the same, but it's more like quicker, I guess. And it's basically just everything about the voices here. And that will be everything for this video. I don't think that I already use like the normal situations to have, oh well, the normal examples. I uploaded a video from a video game. That's not good. Let me clarify again. But I think it will be a good example to what do you do not to have to plot, and at the same time you know how to delete it, because you see that maybe if you are teaching, there will be some students that will plot something, things like this, like a meme, or just something that is not with the with related with the classes. So you can control who can comment, who can delete, and delete the comments, and also hear the comment moderation. Voicethread is basically all this. It's not too much, but at the same time it can be a little bit complex if it's the first time if you are using. I think that Voicethread is a great tool for students, and also with a little studying about this, you can use it in your classes, and also it will be more helpful and easier for students and also for teachers. So I guess I enjoy my video.